How to fix Safari cannot open the page because your iPhone is not connected to the internet. So if you want to fix Safari cannot open the page because your iPhone is not connected to the internet problem, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. You can check your Wi-Fi. If you're using your Wi-Fi, you can go with your mobile data, or if you're using your mobile data, you can go with your Wi-Fi. Just switch and your problem might be fixed. But even after switching, if that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is just simply go back and then open up your settings. Now, after opening your settings, you might get this kind of interface. You need to just simply scroll down and then you'll find an option of Safari, or if you don't find it, you can go with apps, which will be on the bottom, and then scroll down and find Safari. Once you find, you need to tap on the Safari application, and then you need to scroll down. And from there, you need to find an option of clear history and website data, and then go with clear history, which will be on the bottom. And after clearing, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then the next solution is to restart your device. After restarting, your problem might be fixed. Or just simply go with default browser app, and here you need to go and select Safari, and after selecting Safari, a problem might be fixed. Or if you have any other browser other than Safari, you can go and select the other browser, your default browser app, and it will fix your problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.